San Francisco, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. In the heart of this diverse and vibrant city, you'll find the legendary Fairmont San Francisco. A landmark hotel for over a century, setting the standard for service and hospitality since 1907. Classic by design, but contemporary in spirit, the only way to fully experience this unique destination, just footsteps from it all. Luxuriously appointed guest rooms and thoughtful amenities assure the ultimate in comfort. The Laurel Court Restaurant and Bar features fresh, regional ingredients paired with local boutique wines and honey and herbs gardened right on our rooftop. Intersect Fairmont Media Lounge offers a fresh take on social networking, from state-of-the-art board meetings to private sporting, screening, and gaming events, offering cutting-edge technology in a stylish space. The Tonga Room and Hurricane Bar offers exotic Asian cuisine in an unforgettable tropical rainforest setting. Fully equipped for high-end meetings and events, with a dedicated professional wedding and event team to attend to every detail. The Fairmont San Francisco, timeless elegance. A hotel so grand, they built a city around it.